Hi everyone, how are you guys doing? I hope you're fun and absolutely rocking as always. So in today's pick a card reading, we are going to answer your yes and a no question with the help of Wheel of Fortune, tarot cards, angel cards, and other divination tools as well. This was one topic which was requested in the comment section, and I found it really very interesting to do as well. So we have three options. Today's pick a card reading, you can also allocate option number 1, 2, and 3 for different aspects of your life. For example, option 1 can be for your career, option 2 can be for your love life, option 3 can be for your personal growth. So you can do it that way as well, or you can just focus on any one area of your life and ask dear God, Goddess, Archangels, give me an insight about a question on your love life, and then just go by whatever pile is calling you. Or you can do the chit method, and just say dear God, Goddess, Archangels, I need an answer for this question of mine, so which pile is applicable for it. And once you have made the chit of 1, 2, 3, just pick up one chit, and whatever number comes in, that is going to be a pile. I personally always use the chit method, because at times the divine knows better what your answer, what pile you need to follow. And when I rewatch my video after some time, then I just go by what I'm getting attracted to. So I think you can use any one of the method. So in option number 1, we have this prosperity oil and this citrine crystal, which is for prosperity. In option number 2, we have protection oil, all right, and we have black tourmaline bracelet. Option number 3, we have love oil and we have the rose quartz bracelet. All the crystal, candles, oils, statues, most of the statues that you see in the videos are available with my sales team. So you can WhatsApp my sales team. Link is given in the description column below. So today I was guided to use a silver candle in order to pray for you guys, because I was told that you need some sort of spiritual growth in order to achieve your goals. So that's about it. So now you can focus on all the three options and see which option is calling you. All right, so breathe deeply, breathe in, breathe out. Let's get started. Hello group 1, how are you guys doing? I hope you're fun and absolutely wonderful as always. So all those of you have chosen the prosperity oil and the citrine bracelet, I feel that I'll keep your oil over here. I feel that maybe your question is related to luck or career or finances, all right, and that's why you were drawn to the citrine crystal, which is of luck and good fortune and money as well. All right, so we'll keep your crystal over here as well. Now let's do a quick prayer for you guys. Right, let me light this candle for you. And let me say a small prayer for you. Dear God, Goddess, Archangel Michael, please bless Group 1 with spiritual protection, spiritual wisdom, and help them to go on with their life purpose easily and effectively. This or better, thank you. All right, so let's start with your Wheel of Fortune. Let's see whatever question you have asked or you want to ask, what is the answer for that question. All right, so think about your question, guys, and let me spin this wheel for you. So whatever you asked for, the answer is neither a yes or a no, it's a wait, which means you have to wait. As the energies are still not, it's still not defined, all right? It still requires a lot of work for it to be a yes, all right? So that's what the wait is telling us. Now let's see. I feel the divine timing is not yet come for your question. So now let's see what the other cards are going to tell us. We're going to see about your question also, and then we are going to also see what is the guidance coming from the divine. Please note, guys, this is a general reading, so take what resonates and leave what does not. First, we'll ask the angels, why is it a wait? All right, why they are saying that you have to wait. Okay, so this is for us to know why they want you to wait. Then let's understand the guidance regarding the question that you have asked. All right, so we'll see the cards one by one. I will keep your angel cards over here. We'll first see why they want you to wait. The Lovers. All right, so maybe some of you asked a question regarding love life or relationships, or see, whatever it is, okay, if it is love life, or if it is career, or if it is health, whatever you have asked, the angels are saying that somewhere, okay, somewhere you need to let go of the past and do what you love. Okay, somewhere you need to manifest something that you deserve, whatever it is, whether it is your career, finances, or your love life, or your health. You need to manifest what you deserve. Also, you should not fall into temptation. Okay, maybe some of you are really getting desperate and you are not ready to wait. You are like, I want this to happen really quickly. So the angels from this card are asking you to not fall into temptation. Do not take shortcuts, because whatever you want, it is worth waiting for. All right, also I feel that some of you are healers, and there is this healing energy you have as well, but ensure that you are not taking any kind of shortcuts. All right, this card is telling that in order to understand the next step forward, you have to do what you love to do. Okay, you have to follow your passion. That is what this card is asking you to do. All right, so this is what why they have said wait for your question. Now let's see the other tarot cards one by one. The Queen of Wands. So over here, confidence is important. You need to be really confident about yourself, about your skill set. Also, you need to present the best side of yours. When I say the best side of yours, I'm not asking you to be fake. What I'm trying to tell you is we all can, when we are confident, we're always able to put our best side forward. So you need to be confident. So there is a lot of inner work which is required to bring that confidence to the upper level. All right, I also, with this card, it's also very clear that there is going to be a woman who may help you. This woman is confident, and this could be your own nature as well, but yes, a woman would be of help to you in this situation. This woman is very confident and very friend to a friend and foe to a foe kind of a person. I also feel that somewhere you have asked for a growth. Okay, the question involves some sort of growth, so that will happen. But for you to reach that growth, you have to upgrade yourself. Okay, maybe you need to upgrade your skills, or maybe you need to upgrade your self-worth. okay? That is what you feel worthy of, all right? Let's see your next card, Four of Cups. So here the cards are saying that you are not looking at the right opportunities. You're so taken, you're so busy with what is not working for you that your energies are going down. You're not paying attention to what you can manifest. So there is this opportunity that you're missing. So rather than looking at, somewhere else, focus on the opportunities. I feel that you're offered a red roses to the divine, or maybe you're offered roses to the divine, which the divine is accepting and acknowledging. However, you need to raise your vibrations by focusing on the blessings than focusing on what is not working for you. Okay, let's see your next card, Knight of Cups. All right, so I feel that with regards to emotions, all right, you're really up and down. See, at times, it not at times, I always say, when you want something really desperately, remove the desperation, all right? Pray, take action, and let go. Because unless and until you let go, the energy of your work, the energy of your prayers will not be able to reach the universe, because you're holding on to it really very tightly. Also, this card is telling me, that you need to stop, there's this up and down in terms of emotions. At times you're fine, at times you're not. So there's sort of emotionally, emotional up and down that you're going through with regard to this wish. At times you want it, at times you don't want it. At times you feel you'll get it, and at times you feel you may not get it. So this up and down, is not going to help you in any way. Be very clear of what you want and stop procrastinating. You need to take action. All right. This is your tarot cards. Now, let's see what your angel cards are telling us. So let's pick up your first card. Oh wow, it's a yes. So once you are going to work on all of this, the answer is a yes. All right, so this is the energetic work that you need to do. You need to focus on what you love. Also, this card is saying, I forgot to mention, that there is going to be, there are going to be choices, all right? And you have to make the right choice based on your passion and what you love doing, and not on temptation. All right, so that is something you need to understand. So see how beautiful the answer is, a yes plus exclamation mark. Improving health. So whatever this question was, okay, the situation is going to improve. And especially if your question was regard to health, then this is a very clear indication that your health is going to really be good. Please note, as I always say, this is not to replace any doctor's advice or consultation, but yes, I feel some of you have asked about weight loss, all right? So don't fall into temptation is what this card is saying, and that would help. So whatever your question is, the situation is definitely going to improve. Let's see what you need to surrender in order to make the wish happen. Surrender frustration. So see, I did tell you with the Knight of Cups and the Four of Cups, okay? It's a very clear card that, Four of Cups and Knight of Cups are associated with emotional up and down. So surrender your frustration, because frustration doesn't open any doors. The key to resolving a dilemma or dissolving a block is to take a breath, center yourself, and regroup so you may approach the situation more calmly. So whatever it is, surrender your frustration, guys. And some of you would be, oh, it's more easier said than done. Well, more than it's easier said than done, it has to be done so that things become easy. All right, it has to be done so that the things become easy. That's something, which I will give you a minute to think about. All right, okay. Sundress, do it for you. So this card is telling you, that when you're given this choice, okay, regarding this question, do it for yourself. Put yourself as a priority. All right, don't be like, okay, let me just let me not do it. Oh, I'm not sure. If it is good for you, go ahead. If it is not good for you, please don't go ahead. For example, this is something which I tell to people who are in dilemma whether they should go ahead with a person or not. If the person is good for you, is treating you right, is respecting you, and don't have to give any excuse for their behavior, all right, then you can go ahead. But if you're constantly explaining to yourself, explaining to others about what they are doing is right and not wrong, or what they are doing is because of XYZ, then you really need to think. So put yourself as a priority. All right, that's really very important over here. But when I'm looking at your cards, they are quite positive. I feel that the work required is mindset over here, because that's something which is a little bit lacking. All right, and also you need to take action. All right, somewhere over here you need to choose what is good for you very clearly, whatever is good for you, and do not go ahead with what you feel may not be good for you. All right, so this were your cards, guys. Now let's see what your which box you is applicable to you. All right, your other divination tools. So I made this 3 chits. All right, so let's see which box is the best for you for pile 1. All right, let me pick up this. The green box. Okay, interesting. You got the card of improving health, and you got green. Green represents healing, and also chosen the prosperity. So green also is the color prosperity. Now I kept my box at the other end of this room. Just give me a minute, I just get that box, rather all the 3 boxes. All right, so this is your box. Okay, so I will keep this over here. And now let me open your box. So I'm going to keep this box over here, and I'm going to take it one by one. So first let me take the universe message. You got Scorpio, so maybe you are a Scorpio, or somebody who's a Scorpio who is going to be of help. You have got life begins at the end of your comfort zone. So whatever it is, you have to get out of your comfort zone to make it happen. All right, you got the angel charm. Oh my god. So maybe you're a firm believer in angels, and divine help is required to make this happen. You got, if you never go, you will never know. And again, life begins at the end of the comfort zone. These both are more or less saying the same thing. All right, so you need to kind of, there's a risk involved. Okay, there's a risk involved in this question of yours. All right, now let's see what your other messages are. Charms. Okay, you got the turtle charm. So you got weight, right? And over here, if we all have heard the proverb, slow and steady wins the race, right? So the turtle is also saying that whatever you want, you will get it, but it is not going to be like quick. Okay, I always tell this to people. At times for us to achieve our dream, we have to kind of upgrade our skill set, get more knowledge, work more hard, or and have more experiences to handle our dream in a better manner. All right, that's your other charms. You got the pig charm. So yes, I think a lot of funds are required or for your wish, or maybe you are saving for your wish. Okay, you have got the fence. So I feel what I'm getting with this is you have created this wall around you. All right, and you're not ready to get out of that wall. So over here this comfort zone is also applicable. So you need to break this wall in order to kind of go ahead, this fence. All right, you got the cookie charm. So when we eat a cookie, we feel better, we feel kind of warm in our heart, especially when you have cookies with tea. So somewhere that warmth in your heart is required. Your heart is kind of becoming more cold and kind of thinking, oh my god, this is, I'm not going to I may not experience this. All right, whatever your wish is. Oh god, look at this, you got the heart charm also. So I feel with this charm, lot of love, harmony coming your way. All right, you got the sun and the moon, okay, which means that you need to use both you need to balance your masculine and feminine side. All right, and also you need to listen both to your brain and heart. All right, what else? You have got this carrot, so stay motivated. All right, don't let your motivation be affected. You got the car, so you are going to go ahead, and whatever your dream car is, you will get it as well. Let's see your other words. You got the umbrella, so you are protected and safe. Okay, it's not that you're not protected or safe. You got welcome to the zoo, and you got a lion, and there is this. So whatever that you have asked, all right, there is an element. We go to a zoo to see the animals, to have different experiences, right? So welcome to the zoo also talks about having different experiences, going at the out of your comfort zone. So this is something which it is talking about. You got the Superman. All right, so yes, you have superpowers. All right, when I say superpowers, it means that you need to understand that you are skilled, you are talented. All right, and why would this amazing thing not happen to you? Okay, you just need to believe. Self-worth is important. You have got over here, you got over here, give a girl the right shoes and she can conquer the world. Marilyn Monroe. All right, so I feel over here with shoes I feel grounding. All right, also as I said, upgrading, there is some sort of upgradation required, especially with the Queen of Wands. Maybe you need to be ready for the part that you want to happen in your life. All right, let's see at the other this. You got oil helps with movement. All right, like, so I feel that you need to be more flexible, okay, and not be fixated as to how your dream is going to happen. You got 8. I really feel now somebody's asking about their weight over here, so pay attention to what you are eating. You got the trustworthy, so what's that? You got Taurus, so maybe you are a Taurus or somebody is a Taurus, is going to be of help to you. You got the angel number 61 and 24, so 2 plus 4 is 6, and 6, so 2 6 basically in this, which means yes, some of your question is regarding love, or 6 also. The angel number 6 represents that all your material needs will be met and you don't have to worry. All right, then this particular angel number is saying that focus on your manifestation for all your material dreams to come true. The number 2 and 4 is saying have faith, the divine is with you, the angels are with you, do not worry. All right, now let's see the alphabets that you have got. Let me just remove it first. So this could be your first name, middle name, last name, initials, or somebody else's initials, or maybe there's a word which is of importance and wants your attention. All right. So you have got over here CWI, there are 2 S, DFRIIN. All right, so this are your alphabets. All right, so this is what your reading is, group 1. I hope you really enjoyed it, because I did. It was so much of fun, doing this reading, especially regarding the yes and no, and how beautifully the angels answered the question. All right guys, I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I did. Take care. Bye bye. Hello group 2, how are you guys doing? I hope you're fun and absolutely rocking. So for today's option, you have chosen this beautiful protection oil and this bracelet. All right, and I'll also be doing a small prayer for you guys using this silver candle. All the candles, oils, statues, bracelet are available with my shop. You can WhatsApp my team, link is given below. So let me first say a quick prayer for you to Archangel Michael. Dear God, Goddess, Archangel Michael, please bless Group 2 with spiritual protection, spiritual wisdom and spiritual growth. Please help them to follow their life purpose easily, comfortably and efficiently, and let them be blessed with prosperity as they follow their life purpose. Alright, this or better, thank you. So I've chosen this black tourmaline bracelet, which means that, guys, whatever your wish is, there is a lot of people who are not very happy with your growth, or there is some sort of I would say that negativity or jealousy around you, and you need to clear that. All right, you can also watch my protection playlist, which is there. All right, and you can clear your energies. So I feel that whatever your wish is for it to happen, okay, there needs to be a clearance of your energy, of energy around you. All right, so first let's see with your Wheel of Fortune as to what is the answer for your question. All right, so think about your question, guys, and let me spin the wheel for you. So you got maybe. All right, now maybe means it may or may not happen. All right, so see, there is a difference between maybe and wait. Wait means it will happen, but you need to wait. But maybe means the chances are 50-50. So now let's understand why the answer is maybe. All right, and then we will also see what the angels want to guide us. We also see a divination tools like charms, angel numbers. So first let's understand what the angels want to tell us regarding your question. Oops. Let's first understand why the answer is maybe. Okay, why is it not a yes, no, or why is it a maybe? Okay, this will give us an insight. Now let's get further guidance. Guys, what I am feeling is that there are many people who told you that you can't do this or you cannot do this, and you have kind of given all of them answers with your success, is what I'm hearing. All right, now let's see why is it a maybe. Okay, so this is amazing. The reason that the answer is a maybe, all right, because you need to review. Okay, you really need to sit down and review whatever it is that you have asked about. You need to review as to what is working for you, what is not working for you, regarding your question for it to happen or not happen. Okay, whatever it is. Also, this card is saying that somewhere you're not praying for your wish, or maybe you are not really believing, okay, whether your wish will get fulfilled or not. All right, so somewhere you need to believe. Okay, you need to believe, only then the whatever you're asked for will happen. All right, because belief is being, your 50% energy gets ticked the moment you start believing. I think more than 50%. Also, I feel that you're not doing prayers or rituals that will help you to manifest your wish, or maybe the belief of faith is lacking. Second, I also feel that you need to communicate more clearly. All right, there has to be a proper communication. You need to get out, you need to break down, okay, break down the barriers that you have built. I feel there's an element of, oh my god, I don't know if it happens, how will I handle it? Or there's an element of, oh my god, will I be able to do justice to it? Those kind of questions is something which is kind of pulling you backwards. All right, I also feel that the question that you have asked, all right, could be around conception, migration, or it could be around growth. Okay, but whatever the question you have asked, I feel it has to do something with positive growth. All right, that's what I'm getting. And also, I feel that you are somebody who is into the field of communication, or you communicate, all right, to basically you are very good in communication, or your job or your business is revolving around communication. All right, so this card is also saying that if you want to reach more people, you have to kind of somewhere really get out of your way. All right, you need to believe, and you need to be okay with reaching more people. Don't be taken back by, oh my god, if I get negative comments, how will I handle it? Or if I get criticism, how will I handle it? Don't go into that zone. All right, see, look at my nails. Majority of the people love them, one or two don't love them, doesn't bother me. Okay, I continue to put whatever nails I feel like. It doesn't bother me, because I feel, or don't let other people define your life. Okay, then it means that other people are having control on your life. Live your own life on your terms and conditions. All right, don't get influenced by what other people are saying about you, or criticizing you about. Okay, don't pay attention to it. Now let's see the more insights on your question, okay, or on your wish. Okay, you got Page of Cups. Okay, so all right, which means this is an emotional wish. Okay, so with this card, I feel that there is going to be an emotional good news coming your way. All right, and somewhere I feel that you need to be more. I feel that somewhere you have a blockage with regards to your age. All right, there's some blockage that you have with regards to your age. Maybe you feel you are too old, or maybe you feel you're too young. So there's some sort of blockage with regards to age I'm getting. So you need to get out of that that blockage that you have in your mind. All right, so that you need to work on. And secondly, I also feel that somewhere you need to listen to your intuition. All right, which you're not listening. And I feel that it is with creativity. Whatever you're asking for is with creativity. I feel that yes, if you work on your mindset, and somewhere you need to light up that inner child in you. You need to have that playful attitude towards your wish for it to happen. All right, and there's somebody young who can help you with manifesting your wish. Let's see your next card, the Nine of Pentacles. So again, this card is saying that you are going to get the recognition, you are going to get the finances. You are somebody who works really very hard in life. Okay, you give your 1000% to whatever you pray, you wish for, all right, and you give 1000% to your personal life, professional life, and to everybody around you. However, you somewhere feel that there is lack of recognition or people don't value you. Please understand, all right, as I said to you before also, it doesn't matter whether others value you or not. What really matters is that you value yourself. All right. Why see, look at the sun. Okay, the sun doesn't requires anybody's validation, right? Oh my god, you are so bright. It doesn't require that. It knows it's bright, it comes, it goes. All right. So just be in your own appreciation. All right, don't look for recognition from anywhere else. Appreciate yourself, all right, and value your own appreciation. That's very important. All right, you may appreciate yourself, but you may not value your own appreciation, but you would value the appreciation of somebody who is mean, but oh my god, the person appreciated me, so I'm going to value that person's appreciation. Don't do that. Okay, don't do that to yourself. All right, so yes, whatever your dream is, I see a lot of abundance, I see a lot of good news. Okay, now oh wow, success as well. This is, you have got such beautiful cards. So the reason the whatever you got is maybe is because you are not very clear. Okay, you're not clearly manifesting whatever it is that you desire. Somewhere you are yourself holding yourself back. All right, but these cards are saying that you are going to get emotional good news, you are going to get the recognition, finances, you are going to get success. Also, this card is telling you to keep your ego aside. All right, don't let your ego come in between you and your dream. All right, that's really not good. Especially I feel if it is regarding pregnancy, guys, I feel that somewhere you need to believe that it can happen. All right, you need to believe, and somewhere you also need to understand that you will be able to manage. This is if you are praying for that. However, I feel if the question is regarding career, I see amazing cards over here. But yes, you need to communicate clearly. That's more important. I also feel there's some paperwork that you need to do for it to happen. Okay, or maybe you written your wish is what I'm getting. So I feel that you need to do more work is what I'm getting from this card. Let's see, the situation will improve. Wow. So whatever your question is, whatever the question regarding your wish is, the situation is going to improve. Don't worry about it. Remain positive. So yes, the angels are asking you to remain positive because the situation is going to improve. We saw these cards, right? Now let's see what you need to surrender. Surrender unhealthy relationships. So over here, very clearly people have disappointed you and you feel so bad. All right, so let go of relationship that don't serve you, including unavailable or toxic people. See, unavailable is very important. Now when I say unavailable, there are people who may not be available when you're partying, but they will be available when you are going through a tough situation. All right, so you need to treasure them. You deserve to be treasured by others and to be surrounded by positive people. So with this, I feel again, here the word that I'm getting is value. You feel that people do not value you. That's really something that you feel. So over here, just let go of expectations from others. Look, as I said, value yourself. All right. Raindrops, take a chance on them. So if it is relationship, all right, somewhere you need to get out of your you may have a checklist and whoever you date may not be matching that checklist, but you need to understand that compatibility is very important. At times a person may not be matching your checklist, but when you are with them, you feel compatible, you enjoy their company, you enjoy the way they make you feel. All right, so that's important. Apart from this, I feel that it could be partnerships also that you're looking at. All right, so here I feel there is some sort of risk involved, in a very mild way, not very major risk as group 1. So now let's see what your divination tools are going to tell us now that we have got an idea. All right, your candle is a little, the flame is not that strong. All right, which means you need to fire up. Okay, there has to be a fire in your belly for your wish to happen, which is lacking. Okay, now let's see which box is applicable. I just picked up this. Okay, so you got the pink box. All right, let me keep it over here. All right, let's see the pink box. This is your box, guys, which you have chosen. All right, so I'll keep it over here. So let's see your divination tools. Okay, you got a lot of interesting divination tools. We'll start with the more you learn, the more you earn. So you need to focus on your knowledge. Okay, you can if you think you can. So you need to believe. Okay, believe that it's possible for you. All right, you have got what else? Good things come to those who wait. Oh my god, this is so awesome. So it's worth the wait. Okay, it's worth the wait, whatever you asked for. You got Aquarius, so maybe you're an Aquarius, or somebody who's an Aquarius is of importance. Let's see your other. Let's see what your got this. You got this ghost. All right, so don't get scared. All right, don't get scared. This could mean, I would say this is more like this surrendered unhealthy relationship. So this could be an ex, all right, which you need to let go of, or this could be past experiences which you need to kind of let go of. That's very important. You got kite, so this is also resonating with this, okay, which means success. So yes, you're going to fly really high, don't worry. And look at that, okay, it means you need to communicate more effectively. That's you need to I think the prayers, since you're not very clear about your own wish, you're not able to manifest it. Okay, you need to be more clear about what you want. All right, you've got the elephant charm, all right, which means a lot of royalty coming to you. All right, you got the beach. Okay, so with this, I feel have fun. Okay, also vacation will help you. All right, or maybe you wish to go, you're a water baby. All right, and you did get this raindrops, so again water element. All right, you got the lion, which means a Leo, or else be more courageous about your wish. You have got the bell, which means pay attention. You got the ice cream, which means there are going to be sweet memories that are going to get created. The page of cups. All right, you got pineapple. All right, so pineapple has got thorns outside, but inside it's sweet, right? So somewhere you need to kind of ensure that you have thorns, in the sense you're protecting yourself. All right, you have got the girl charm, which means there's going to be pay attention to yourself and your self-worth. Okay, let me look at, oh, you got the, so there is going to be good friendships, and I think partnership or collaboration is going to help your wish to come true. And if it is a question related to love, I feel that a friend is going to help you. All right, you got the book. Oh my god, look at this. The more you learn, the more you earn. So you need to upgrade your knowledge. You got the torch over here. Okay, the torch, which means seek and you will find it. All right, okay, you got one more. You got, look at this, the laughter. You need to laugh more. You know, taking life so seriously. Oh my God. You have got over here the inspirational words, I can. And look at that. I can and I will. So you need to believe, guys. You need to believe that you can and you will, because over here also you got you can if you think you can. So you need to believe. Okay, you need to believe. You got the Capricorn charm over here, which means ambitious. So that's what I'm saying. You need to be more ambitious about your wish. You got over your angle, so have a different way at looking at your situation. You got over here carefully. So again, over here I feel it's again talking about protection. Okay, so ensure that you're shielding yourself. My universe has my back workshop is going on and we are having so much fun, me and my participants. All right, you got 69 and 64. All right, am I right? Oh, it's 69. Okay, it's 69 and 64. You got 2 6s, which means that material needs will be met. Do not worry. 9 means you need to focus on your life purpose and all the divine angels are supporting you. So this is saying that somewhere you're worried about your career and how you will go ahead if your wish gets fulfilled in some way. So don't worry, all your material needs are going to be met. Now let's see what alphabets you have got. All right, let me shift this. Okay. Right, this could be your first name, middle name, last name, or somebody else's initials, or maybe there's a word that requires your attention. All right, okay, so you have got UHIEJEPSR. That's your alphabets. Okay, so this is what the divine wants to communicate to you regarding your wish, and whether it's why is it a maybe, and it has given the insight, all right, about your wish. So amazing, amazing. I am, and look at your candle, it's burning bright again. That is so awesome. So group 2, I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care and bye bye. Hello group 3, how are you guys doing? I hope you're fine and absolutely rocking as always. So today we are going to see whether your wish is going to get fulfilled, and whatever the answer comes, we are going to get more guidance on that. All right, so we are first going to light a candle and pray for you. All right, let me say a quick prayer for you. Dear God, Goddess, Archangel Michael, please bless group 3 with spiritual protection, spiritual wisdom, and spiritual maturity. Please bless them to follow their life purpose easily and in a safe manner. This or better, thank you. All right, group 3. So I've chosen this beautiful love oil and the rose quartz crystal. So to be very honest, I feel that self-love is of importance for you to go ahead clearly. Also, I feel that I feel that somewhere you have been disappointed in love in the past, and that has affected your self-worth in some way or the other. All right, all this bracelets, crystals, and most of the statues, candles are available with my sales team. You can WhatsApp them, number given below. So let's see what your Wheel of Fortune is going to tell us regarding your wish. So think about your wish, guys, and let me spin the wheel for you. Wow, you got you got trust. Okay, you got trust. All right, so whatever you asked for, you need to trust that whatever is good for you, that's going to happen. So it can also mean that whatever you have wished for, it is going to happen. And it can also mean that even if the wish that you asked for If it is not good for you, then divine will give you something much better. All right. That's what the divine wants to say, but you need to trust. Okay, trust that whatever you asked for, um, if it is good for you, you will get it. All right. Now let's see. Let's get more guidance regarding your the divine's message regarding your wish. So first, let's understand that what is the main reason why you got trust. All right. Now many of you would be like, oh, that's pretty easy. No, but we'll still understand what could be the reason, right? Now let's see further information on your wish. All right. I feel that you tend to get affected by other people's comments or other people's feedback, or you take it to your heart. Please understand, all right? People will keep on saying something or the other. Don't give energy to it. Do what you like or what you want. Okay, let's get further insights. Let me keep your cards over here and let's see the main. Okay. Seven of Wands. So over here, all right, the main reason regarding why the divine said trust, because somewhere this is your own kind of fear or your own beliefs, okay, and you're fighting against yourself. All right, so you need to kind of trust in the situation, okay, trust in whatever your wish is. Also, I feel that there are people who are against you, okay, with regards to this wish, or there's somewhere people don't want it that you should get whatever you have asked for, and that is why the divine is saying to trust, because the divine has your back, the divine is protecting you. Also, for this wish to happen, you need to really kind of beat your inner demons. All right, you need to beat your inner demons. You need to believe that amazing things can happen to you. All right, let's see your other cards. Okay, you got the Tower. So whatever your wish is, you had bad experiences about that wish in the past, or maybe the wish did not happen, all right, and that has disappointed you, or there has been too much of unexpected struggles, or too much that your whatever you prayed for, it has been so difficult, and you have been like, oh, I don't know whether it will even happen. That's why I got the trust word. All right, the second is the King of Swords. So here, being practical is very important. Also, there is a man who is very intelligent and who is very good at his work, who can help you. All right. So be practical is what it is saying. All right. You got the World card. All right. So which means that you are going to, success is what you're going to get. Whatever you asked for, I feel it has got something to do with completion, okay, because of this card as well. So there's an element of completion. So for example, if that is, you believe, okay, that it is required for you to be complete, okay. So for example, if you're single, you believe that if I have a partner, I will be complete. Or if you're longing for a child, you feel if I have a child, I will be complete. So it is that you believe that if you have this wish, you will be complete, or your dreams will be complete. All right. So it has got nothing to do with my opinion, guys. It is, otherwise, some of you write in the comment section, oh, a person does not have to be married to be complete. You know what? I do agree. All right. At the end of the day, you're complete when you are in touch with your inner self, higher self. All right. That's very important for completion. All right. So now let's go ahead and get more insights with regards to your cards. You got success. See, I told you with this card that whatever it is that your wish is, you are going to get success in that particular wish. All right. So there is success, there is happiness, there is celebration also. All right. Let's see your next card. A year from now. Wow. So whatever you asked for, you may get it within a year or maybe next year. Okay. This is general reading, guys. So don't be like, oh my god, it did not happen in a year's time. So it is general. All right. So trust. Let's see what you need to surrender. Surrender to what is. Okay. So see how beautiful this is and how it is defining this card. Flow with what is instead of fighting it. When you can't change a situation, compassionately accepting it exactly as it is will bring you peace. So this card is telling you that at times, see over here, there are 2-3 things that I'm getting. All right. One thing which I'm getting is that just flow. Okay. In the sense, don't keep on thinking, why is it not happening? Will it happen? Just be with the flow. All right. And also understand that it is meant to happen. All right. However, be practical as well. You need to take practical action as well to make it happen. You just can't be like, wishing about it and not doing any work to achieve it. All right. So surrender to what is what this card is saying. Let's see your next card. Villain. You can always rewrite the story. So as I said, okay, the villain over here is the bad experience that you had, the disappointment that you had, or the loss that you had. All right. So don't let your past experience regarding your wish define your future. This card is telling you that your past disappointment was the villain, agreed, but you can rewrite your future. You can rechange it. All right. Don't be like, oh my god, my future is written in stone. I always tell anybody who comes to me for consultation, if I see a negative card for them, I tell them that is the energy which they can change. All right. It's not that they have to live by what the card is saying. All right. So yes, you are. I also feel that there is a special connect that you have with Goddess Fortuna, Goddess Lakshmi in some way or the other. All right. And that connect, okay, with Goddess Lakshmi, Goddess Fortuna is really bringing you a lot of blessings, is what I'm getting. Or maybe you have a connect with some goddess, and that goddess blessing is kind of helping you to move forward, and that goddess is telling you to trust. All right. Just trust that she has, your well-being in her mind. All right. That's what the cards are saying. Now let's see your divination tools, what they are saying. So since you are the last group, as always, we have the last box left and we will go ahead with that. So I will not be removing any chits. All right, let me pick up your box. Ta-da! So that's a beautiful floral box that you have chosen. Okay. All right. Okay. Let me shift this a little bit and this over here. I don't know why I'm getting this, that if somebody over here is asking a question regarding pregnancy and maybe you tried and it did not happen, is what I'm kind of getting. All right, so that's what I'm getting. Okay, now over here you have got the first 99%. Okay, there's one more stuck. 99% things you worry about never happen. And that's something we need to understand, that stop worrying, okay? Stop worrying so much. You got over here, today will be a good day. So focus on your present. You got over here, so I'm so sorry guys. You got over here Capricorn, which means either you're a Capricorn or somebody who's of Capricorn is of importance. Alright. You got make today beautiful. Oh my god, look at that. Today will be a good day. Make today beautiful. So focus on your present rather than being disappointed about what happened in the past or wondering if it will happen in the future. Just trust the process, all right? Let's see what words you have got. Okay, what you have got? You have got this bag which has got this is a vacation bag. So yes, you are going to travel a lot, guys. I know the pandemic is on, guys, but people are traveling. Also, I got over here, excuse me. So the universe is telling you, excuse me, okay? And kind of, don't let your past affect you in any way, all right? So excuse. Over here you have got this happy person, so be happy for your wish to manifest, be playful about it. All right, you got people over here and you got children. Oh my god, I did talk about, oh my god, this is so beautiful. So so if you're worried about your child or children in any way, do not be worried. All right, also understand that your kids are, just don't just respect them, all right? And also treat them, hear them out, listen to them, okay? And you got people, so you're going to reach more people is what I'm getting. Let's see what else you have got over here. So you got this mask. So I feel with this, maybe, okay, outwardly I put this mask in which you are trying to show something else to people, and inside there is something else that you're feeling. There's a sneaky energy out here. So or maybe you're not telling people about your wish. You don't want to tell that you are wishing this, okay? You're hiding, you're basically hiding. You got the bike, all right, which means a lot of movement and fast growth. You got the rainbow, so yes, a lot of happiness. And this reminds me of the 10 of Cups card, which is about family happiness and fulfillment. You got the chair charm over here. All right, today my daughter was going to throw this charm. She's a 2-year-old. All right, so this charm is talking about taking rest. All right, taking rest. Just don't be so much worked up. All right, you have got the Statue of Liberty. So I feel that you really need to break free. All right, or maybe US has some connect with you. Got home, all right? So yes, if your wish is about a home, that's going to happen. Or maybe if your wish is about a happy home, that's going to happen too. You got milk, all right, which means there is going to be a lot of support coming your way. So don't be like, oh my god, how am I going to do it all alone? You got Sagittarius over here. So maybe you are a Sagittarius, or somebody who is a Sagittarius is of importance. You got over here optimistic. So be optimistic, guys, about your wish. You got the number, I will hold you in my heart until I hold you in heaven. I don't know why, guys. If somebody has lost a child or miscarried, or somebody has lost a loved one, this is telling you, that your loved one is always loving you and sending you lots of love, okay? This is so beautiful. I will hold you in my heart until I hold you in heaven. So there's a lot of love, okay? Love coming from the other side. You got over here imagine. So visualize whatever that you are praying for. You got the angel number 88. Wow, a lot of abundance coming your way, guys. And you got the number 10, which means the creator loves you. Focus on your dreams and on your wishes, all right? Okay, you got the anchor charm, which means stay. There is going to be something that will kind of, Right now I feel you're spacey about your wish. You're not sure whether it will happen, it will not happen, or whether it, how will you manage. So there is going to be, you know, support, don't worry. Now let me pick up your alphabets and let's see what your alphabets are telling us. Okay, so this could be your first name, middle name, last name, or somebody else's first name, middle name, last name, or their initials. All right. Or maybe there's a word that requires your attention. And Kate, I'm hearing and seeing the name also, Kate. Kate, if you're listening, hello. Okay, so what the alphabets you got are P, I, Q, R, U, E, T, A, K, U, I, S, T, B. I'm also seeing USA and UAE in this alphabet. All right. So group 3, this was your message. I hope you really enjoyed regarding your wish. I don't know why, but I do feel like pulling one more card for you for some reason. So let me just pull up one card for you. An extra message. Mirror, treat your body like the palace it is. So somewhere, you know, I feel that you need to accept yourself. And I also feel that whatever your wish is, somewhere, you know, if you have asked it regarding your body, like weight loss, weight gain, pregnancy, or self-worth, self-love, you need to really love yourself, okay, and treat your body with a lot of love is what I'm getting with this card. Let me pull one more because I was getting a guidance. Homework, take yourself out on a date. Wow, that's so nice. So go out and do something that you love, but wear the mask, guys, and practice social distancing as well. So somewhere, you know, you need to kind of go out, okay, go out and do something that you love doing. That's what this card is telling. All right, guys, so this was your reading group 3. I hope you enjoyed this reading as much as I did. You know, saying this read, you know, reading all of your cards and everything. And group 3 was the most positive. You got the trust, okay. So whatever you have asked for, trust that you will get it, okay, and trust that the divine will have its own way of giving it to you. Many of the times when we ask for a wish, we are very particular as to how it should be given to us, but the moment we surrender the how, we give divine the freedom, all right, to give us what we ask for. For example, if your child asks you, all right, that mom, I want this particular toy from this shop and you're going to get it wrapped in this kind of paper, you know, it becomes quite difficult, right? Or it will take a lot of time. However, if a child tells you that mom, you know, I would love to have this kind of gift and you can buy me from anywhere, and you know, it gives you that freedom, you have more free hand, right? So similarly, give the universe a free hand to manifest your wish and trust that it's going to happen. All right, okay, group 3, you take care. Bye bye, lots of love to you.